Hello everyone, I am Dr. Faraz Ahmad, and today in this video I will tell you how to apply for OET exam. As in previous video I told you people that how to register with OET exam, how to make an account with OET. So in this video, using this OET account details, we will apply for OET exam. So first of all, open any browser in your laptop or mobile and right here the OET login. Then you will go for this page. In the last video we have already registered with OET, so in this video we will directly go for login. Okay, we will directly go for login option. So here we will put our details from our last video. We will put here a username or email address which we have put in the previous video, or which we have booked with OET. So we will put password and username here, and we will simply go for next. Okay, here this page will be open in front of you. You can look here details, Faraz Ahmad, the candidate number, date of birth, address and contact number. You can also go for edit. You can also go to edit your contact information as well. So here we will go for how to apply for OET test. You can see here that there are apply for OET test, my dashboard and help. So we will definitely go for how to apply for OET. Okay, you can see here what is your profession. We are definitely from medicine, so we will go for medicine. As we already know that there are 4 subtests: listening, reading and speaking. So in medicine you will have to be appear on all the 4 subtests, but in nursing, if you have failed any subtest, you will reappear only this subtest which you have failed. But doctors, if you have failed only one subtest, you will reappear in all the subtests. Okay guys, let's move forward. So this is country. In which country do you want to appear in OET test? Definitely we want to appear in Pakistan as well. Where is Pakistan? Here is Pakistan. So guys, it's very good for you people. It's you're very lucky people. I know there are many of my seniors who go to UAE, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka for this OET exam. So for last 6 months OET is conducting this exam in Pakistan as well. Okay, then we will go for next. Okay guys, here you can see select date, on which date you want to appear in OET exam. Let's see, we want to appear on 30th June 2020, so we will go for this date and then we will go for next. Okay guys, okay, so let me tell you that OET is conducting exam in Pakistan in 3 venues, like in Islamabad, in Karachi and in Lahore. Whatever wherever you want, you can appear in OET exam, either in Lahore, Karachi or Islamabad. So let's see, we will definitely go for Lahore. And there is one important point as well here: request for special arrangement. Guys, if you have some medical problems or some other problems, so you can specify here. Let me give example. If someone is diabetic and he is going to appear in OET exam, so he can apply for, you can clearly write here that kindly arrange some hyperglycemics candies or juices for me during the exam, or allow me to take by my own. Okay, so you can mention here everything, and they will definitely arrange these things for you. They will inform you before the exam that we have done your special arrangements. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay guys, here are the important this is important slide. So here you can see that you have booked for 19th, you have booked for 30th June. This is your booking date. This is 19 March and this is booking time, and you have booked for 30th June test. So here 4 tests which are writing, listening, speaking and reading, they have been booked. Okay guys, now let's discuss something more important. So guys, the exam fee of OET is 587 Australian dollars. 587 Australian dollar, and in Pakistani rupees it is, I think, about 65,000, 64,000 roundabout. Okay, so here we will go for we have confirmed everything here, and we can proceed here to the checkout. Okay, so we can see here that please pay the following amount within the 15 minutes or your application will be the cancelled. Application reference is this, total fee is $587, date is 19th March 2020, payment method. Okay, so if you want to pay, you will go for confirm. Alright guys, you can pay with your debit card as well. What is name on your card? You will mention here name, you will mention the card number, and you will mention the expiry date, and you will also mention the CVV. So here you can see where is CVV. You will turn your card on back side and you will definitely find 3 digits CVV. So guys, in this way you can apply for OET test. After putting every detail here, you can go for pay now, and within 2 minutes you will get an email that you have been booked with OET and your test will be on 30th June 2020. So guys, this is very simple and very easy way to apply for OET. Although to register with OET was a tricky job, but to apply for OET is a simple job. So if you are really interested in your OET, just generate an account with OET, then go for OET website and book your test as soon as possible. And don't worry at all, OET is very simple and basic exam for you people guys. You doctors can easily clear this exam in very first attempt. Okay guys, good luck to you for your upcoming exam. Thank you very much. Bye.